Funding for what I do is provided in part by my generous supporters on Patreon, and by direct donations from viewers like you. Thank you! Hey everyone, Kelvin here, and today I'm looking at a new update for SuperTux Advance. You'll notice that I'm sitting a little further from the corner than usual, because I don't want to block the new lives indicator that we have down here. This thing is, you won't get a game over for running out of lives. The way it works is, if there's a checkpoint in the level, you'll only lose a life if you die after getting the checkpoint. And then, I'll show you the way it works in a bit. But, yeah, first I need to get at least 50 coins in this level, because every 50 coins you collect at the end of a level grants you an extra life. So in the case of this level, it means getting 100%. Oh yeah, notice how you can't see in here anymore? Yep, come up here, can't see it, burn this, boom, ta-da, yee, burn, boing, boing. Yeah, we're gonna get 100% of everything in this level real quick, and then you'll see the life counter increase when I hit the end of level thing. I'm gonna add an actual extra life item as well, but you know, you get a bonus one for collecting coins. So even if you're not a completionist, collecting coins will be good for you. Ta-da! See? And, it is a feature request that, on the, Discord server. Oh yeah, there's a Discord server for this game now. You'll find it on the GitHub page. I could put a link in the description here, too. Okay, yeah, I'll do that. But yeah, there's a Discord now. But, yeah, it is a requested feature that, you follow the rest of the path automatically. I'm going to add that, don't worry. That is on the list of things to do. I, took a break from working on the game itself, actually, to work on trying to add Unicode support to the game engine. You know, to make translations easier, so you don't have to Romanize every language pack. You know, you could just extend the font graphics, and you know, but it didn't work out. I kind of sucked. I failed. I did bad. I'm sorry. I failed to add Unicode support, and I'm sorry. But, I'm willing to pay anyone who is able to get that working. So, yeah, if you can do it, get in touch with me. I am looking to hire. I'm looking to pay. I'm not asking this for free. This is a very important feature, because it's necessary for translations. But, yeah, okay. I showed you some of this second level last time. And you'll notice up here, I don't know if you could see it before, but up there, there's some stuff up there. Notice it? Up there, right above the health bar. So yeah. Oops. These guys are still invincible, but don't worry, they don't count towards your enemy achievement either, so don't worry about killing them. Yeah, come over here. Kill that guy, and there's now stuff over here. Oh yeah, that hill's too steep for the fireball to go up. There are several secrets in this level as well. There's not just one, there's 3 actually. And I've already passed by 2 of them, so I'm not going to show where they are. I want you guys to find that yourself. Unless you feel like cheating and looking at the level data. I know some people will. But yeah, I've also got fish. And they bite you. And you can kill them with fire. And yeah, look, checkpoint bell. So because I've activated the checkpoint, watch what happens when I die. Oops, didn't mean to kill that guy. See? You respawn, and you get a little brief moment of invincibility. The armoire of invincibility. But yeah, you get some invincibility flashes, and as you can see, the enemy that I killed before is still gone. So the level doesn't actually reload if you die with a checkpoint. And for some reason, my life counter didn't go down. I swear that was working before. I don't... I think I broke something. I swear it was working before. You would die, the life counter would go down, and, yeah. It seems to not be going down now. I'm not sure what I did. I think I might have accidentally made it somehow that playing on easy mode gives you unlimited lives. Would anyone mind if that was actually a feature? If, like, you just had unlimited lives if you were playing on easy mode? Eh. Well, anyway, check out the new strawberry muffin. Yep, this is the first well, actually the second contributed graphic. The first one's actually the new toxic muffin. So yeah, we'll pick that up. And I don't know if I, put a toxic muffin in any of the levels yet, but you can see that in the game's files. So yeah, it's the end of the level here. And let's go down here and check this out. Check this out. I did not make this level. This was made by the same guy who made the new muffin. His name's Frost. And they, yeah, they made this level themselves, and it's actually really well designed, too. It's like, it looks really good. It's like this area here, particularly, looks like, you know, OG SuperTux type level design, is what it makes me think of. And then over here, you know, you got, just blocks being used in ways that I haven't used in the previous levels yet. And then this part. I love this part. So look, you can jump over like this. Boring. Or, you can do it the fun way. Whee! And then there's this part here. It's like, you see these coins up here, you can try to wall jump, but at the same time, there is a deliberately placed hill here. So you can do a long jump, and I screwed it up completely. But it does work. Ta-da! And up here, there's some goodies up here. But if you don't feel like fighting, or you just want to get through quickly, you can slide down this way. Ta-da! Of course, if you're a completionist, you'll definitely have to backtrack. You'll either have to, you know, go up here first, and, you know, get this stuff and then slide. Or slide and then do the wall jump that I just showed you. Also, some people have been asking that I change the way the wall jump controls work so that instead of tapping away from it, you tap the jump button again. And, yeah, it wouldn't be too hard to change it to work like that. I'm just so comfortable with it because of how long I spent playing that Metroid ROM hack, but, yeah. It's also because I kind of wanted the level design to focus on jumping between two walls, but people want single wall jumps mainly, even though I think that looks terrible. I don't know. Maybe I'll be spiteful and just leave the controls as they are. Hehehe. Now, just like in Mario 3, I want to introduce new power-ups sparingly. So, the only way to get other power-ups currently that you're not supposed to get right now is through secrets, but this one here is a bit more obvious. You come up in here, and there's this level. Hey, where's your board? Are you gonna slide down on your belly like a square? I bet you couldn't get every coin on this hill like that. If you do, I'll give you something that'll really help you catch some air. Yes, the new Radgwin. I was totally thinking of Surf's Up when I made this guy. And I want to have levels where it's like you go through these obstacle courses and they'll have some sort of stipulation to them. Like in this one, you're forced to slide. It will not let you run without making you slide while you're on this hill. At least at first. There's a trick at the end where when you get done with it, it will disable the lock, as I'm about to show you. So yeah. I'm not gonna get every coin this time, see? I totally screwed up. Yeah. I need to work on that pause screen too. I gotta add it so that it can, like, take a screenshot of it so that, you know, what's going on stays as a background image. But, yeah. Okay. So, skip it. Yeah. I screwed up again. I was trying to skip those coins and, you know, not get them, and then I forgot that bridge, when it breaks, if you don't jump. There we go. I leave a coin behind. So yeah, you'll see, trigger box. Remember, these can run arbitrary code. So this one is coded to check that the level coins is equal to max coins. And since they are not equal, nothing comes out. Now, let me start over. And this time I'm going to try for real. But, you know, I could always suck at my own game. Or I could get it on the first try. Why is it that when trying to fail, I completely failed at failing? Like, I either got coins that I didn't want to get or I just kept falling. But then when I try to get through and get 100%, I get that on the first try. I don't know. But okay, now that level coins are equal to max coins, ta-da! Early air feather, and you can come back here and play with it. This level does not have an end, though. You have to hit escape to leave it. I'm also going to make a gamepad control for, like, I guess the back button would be good for it. But yeah, you can go through it again, and you can walk this time. But if you go back up to the start, you'll hit the trigger that forces you to slide. Oh yeah, this loop. I'm sure some of you are wondering about it. No, I cannot program loops. Don't ask me to. I'm not that good at math. You need to know, like, trigonometry and stuff for that. But, yeah, then you come out. And, again, I don't have any levels here yet. This one's gonna be a water level. Yay. But you've all seen how swimming works, so I think that, you know... Hiff! No! My face broke! Has it been doing that the entire time? Oh no! Is my face broken? There we go! That was, awkward. How long was I like that? Okay. Where was I? Oh yeah, you'll see the, percentage. Persistent coins. Persistent total coins are there. And also, the ability. So yeah, when you hit escape to leave a level, you don't lose your power-up, just, you know, your level progress. So when you go to one of those special levels where you can, like, buy stuff or play the mini games and such, and A few people have asked for, like, some other mini-games and such. And, I do like the idea of trying to, like, mimic Mode 7. Because, like, I want to do, like... That belly sliding level was basically a homage to, Extreme Tux Racer. But I would love it if I could do, like, an actual forward-facing one. And, you know, do, like 2.5D type stuff. Like what you would see on Super Nintendo games, you know, when they use the Mode 7. So, I definitely want to figure out how to make that work. And, first I gotta set up so that you can, like, draw to textures. Or surfaces, or whatever, what have you. And, you know... So, yeah, I will work on that. So I've still got quite a long list of things to do, both for the game itself and for the engine. But, yeah, I'm still working. It's kind of been all I've been doing lately, is just working on this. I haven't even really been playing games lately. Just kind of working on this one, because I'm not, like, tiring myself out, don't worry. I'm honestly having fun doing this. I'm enjoying working on this project. And maybe a bit too much for some, maybe I do seem like a bit of a workaholic. I promise I haven't been losing too many hours of sleep. But, okay, I'm a workaholic. I've been letting this project pretty much consume all my time. But I love it, and I'm having so much fun. And I love that I've actually got people contributing levels and translations and stuff. There's people who have already taken the time to translate this game, what I've got so far, into several different languages. There's, French, Polish, Bulgarian, and then of course I've got someone who made an entire level for it, as well as redesigned some of the graphics to look better. I really like the new designs. I've got someone who submitted a sprite for a Mega Muffin, like the Mega Mushroom from New Super Mario Bros. I don't know if I'll be able to make it work, but I put it in the files anyway because it looks good. And I don't know, maybe Giant Tux could be a thing. I don't know if I want to sprite every character I have double size. But maybe it could be just for Tux. Maybe it only works on Tux. But oh gosh, there's still so much to do. I was just making this as a learning project, but people seem to actually like it, and I feel compelled to finish it now. So, I don't know. It may get to the point where the engine gets far enough along that I work on this and Chirodian Legends simultaneously. But, yeah. I'm just having fun. I love it. I love working on this. I love making these update videos. And as crazy as it sounds, I even love all the weird code issues that frustrate me to no end. I love working on it, especially since it's such a relief when I do fix it and get it working. This is what I love. And if I've become a workaholic, I should definitely fix the sleeping part. You know, not sleeping is, kind of a big deal. But, I don't mind that I haven't been gaming. I don't mind that... Well, I kind of mind that I haven't been drawing as much as I used to. Because, you know, I've wanted to draw stuff for people. But... like, I don't really feel like I'm missing out by not playing other games all that much. I feel like I've, you know, had enough playtime. It's time to make something. So, yeah. There's still plenty of people who are going to disagree with me on this, and there's still plenty of people who are going to say, no, Kelvin, go to sleep. Take a break. Stop working so hard. Yeah, I'm a workaholic. But I'm a happy workaholic. And, you know, time you enjoyed is time never spent wasting time or something. Cliched expressions that are supposed to make you feel better. It's not gonna work. I know. I need to take a break. I need to stop pushing myself on this project so much. There have been times when it, honest to God, has been stressing me out. But at the same time, when I do make progress, it just feels so good. So, yeah. Maybe I should take a break from the game for a while. Do some other stuff. But, you know, especially since now that I've got someone else who's making levels, I guess maybe it wouldn't hurt to take a break from certain things. Oh! There is one more thing I want to show. Let me go in here and activate the test level, because there's something cool to show you. TNT. Oh, and this guy, when I was testing him out, you know, I put him here in the test level so I didn't have to go to the racing level over and over. But yeah, see, his head turns. And, I forget what I was doing. Oh, that's where I'm going to be testing the 1-up item. I got bounce blocks. You can jump really high with them, so that's going to be fun. But yeah, the TNT. It will explode immediately if you hit it with a fireball, or if another explosion hits it. But if you just touch it... Yeah. So yeah, major chain reaction. Let me try to get it so where we can see it better. So if I get out of the way fast enough. Yee, lots of explosions. Very fun. Very nice. Oh, yeah, it hurt. Let's go over here, and I'll show you the other new enemy I've made. Hasn't shown up in a level yet. Definitely gonna use it in castles, though. Because it just seems most fitting in castles. Woo! There they go! Cannon bobs! And yes, watch. They will actually track your position and shoot at where you're standing. If I come up here, they see me up there too. Hehehehe. You have to keep moving when they're around. But as you can see, if there are several in place, you can use them as a staircase. I'm really happy with these. I had also made it so that they would adjust their trajectory based on your speed, but that made it so that they would either go like super crazy stupid fast or just be undodgeable. So yeah, there's the new strawberry muffin. Here's where I was testing secrets that fade away. And let's look at the new toxic mushroom. Look at it. Looks mean. It's only got one eye. It's got a skull on top. Now that's a toxic looking muffin. I called it a mushroom earlier. I said mushroom, didn't I? It's a muffin. Cannon bobs. Love that grin they've got on them too. So yeah, the cannons, they rotate. And yeah, they'll still fire even if they're facing the middle. I had actually made it so that one of them somehow got stuck facing the screen. And I haven't been able to do that since. But yeah. So I'm wondering what I can do to mix this up. I'd like to see levels like maybe that mix these bounce pads with dodging cannon bobs. Or, Frost made a little test area where they like had a bunch of different TNT platforms and you had to like get off of them quickly enough. before they explode, so you gotta keep moving. So yeah, cannon bobs and TNT are a great way to keep the player moving. And there's a new planned block called C4. And C4 is basically TNT, but it will only explode if another explosion goes off. So, like, you could have a path of C4, and it'll only go off if, like, you hit the Carl Boom, the little bomb guy. And, maybe that would actually be a great level to use the ice flower in. Because, like, if you hit them, it's like, here, let's do a little test. Bob, leave me alone. Okay. So yeah, let's get the ice flower, and let me demonstrate my point. So okay, come over here. You got your little Carl Boom. So come on, Carl. And like, let's pretend these are the C4 blocks, and then that would cause them all to explode, right? But like, because you can freeze him, and then he won't explode. So that could be like, a level where you gotta be careful. Otherwise, you'll blow yourself up with them, and then die. And die. Oh yeah, and die. Oh yeah, these guys freeze too, so you can make a staircase out of them. So yeah, that's, I think that's all the new stuff. Quite a lot of new stuff has been added. And, yeah. So, if you guys would like to discuss development, and I just noticed a graphical glitch on these bounce blocks. Look at that. The bottom screws are disappearing. How did I miss that? I will fix that. But yeah, if you guys would like to, chat with me while I'm working on this, head to the Discord link down below. And if you guys would like to support development, you can contribute to the GitHub, or you can join my Patreon or make a donation on my Ko-fi page. And thank you guys all so much for watching. Thank you everyone for your continued support. And as always, I hope you will join me next time.